Hey, welcome back to part 3 of Customize Awesome 4 point whatever. Let's call it Awesome 4. So a couple things I want to do first just for quality of life because I'm dealing with videos and things here. So what I'm going to do is do an EA. I have this already set up in my other config. So if we go Github to my config stuff here, click on for a while until we get to the RC. I have things like pkill, control F, MPV. Okay, so I've got these awful key stuff, so I'm going to do keybind. So I'm going to do awful.key. So I've got key bindings, global keys. Towards the bottom of key bindings, dynamic tagging, lots of key stuff here. Awful key, drop down application. Lots of key stuff. MPD control, menu bar, D-menu, prompt. Okay, so towards the end of, what is this from? Okay, so I think that's the beginning of key bindings. Yeah, join. Okay, so we gotta go all the way back down here. So inside of the this here, I'm going to do user key bindings, and I'm going to do awful dot key this, and we'll do alt key and X. Well, actually, I could probably just paste all of this stuff, huh? So let's just do Control C and Shift Insert. Mostly worked. So go 0 and do a couple 0 insert tab. That should work. It doesn't like RC Lua 461. Is there something wrong with that? So I missed something here. Not exactly sure where it went wrong. I'm just going to undo that because I know it worked somewhere else. So let's save that and go up a bit. Because I did it here. So we're going to do and we'll just do user hotkeys, and we'll just basically copy this, paste it, and we'll change this to E, and we'll do Thunar. Paste this, and we'll do. Actually, we'll copy this and paste it. There, that should work. Save it, reload. There we go. Okay, so if I were to bring up this, and hit Alt X, it closes. Okay, cool. Awesome. So the next thing I want to do is let's go ahead and minimize that. That's kind of cool. Bring up another one of these. We wanted to do Thunar. We got to get Thunar installed. There's only 31. That's not so bad. So we're going to do 1, 2, 4, 5. Probably do 6, 7. Sync Thunar 14. Thunar Dropbox 17. Thunar Extended, why not? Thunar Mega Sync doesn't work. Thunar Shares. Not sure which one of these is the most current. That'll do. Now we also need to get a GTK2 themer installed, don't we? While we're doing that, why don't we do a Y, what is it, LX appearance? And we're probably going to do probably just one. Anybody know why it automatically approves sometimes and sometimes it doesn't? I don't think I have that set up in pacman.conf. Pretty sure. Lots of packages with Thunar. Come on, let's do this. So I figure in this video we'll get some of these things installed, and I'll set up a GitHub backup. And I'll rename my other ones to Awesome 3.5, and this one be my Awesome 4.0 config. Almost like running Gentoo again. I remember it always takes a while to install Thunar. Maybe I'll come back when it's done? No, it's got to be close now. Yeah, I'll just be back when it's done. Talk to you in a second. Okay, so we ended up having an error with Thunar Extended, so let's just look through this again and see what got installed, what didn't. Thunar's installed, archive installed, media tags installed, shares in Grandpa, in sync, Dropbox. I don't know what part didn't get installed, so it should be okay. So sorry for the noise there. Is it open? So let's go ahead and install this first. Get LX appearance on here. And let's do Thunar is Alt key. Yeah, we don't want that. We want it to be Modi. There we go. So yeah, let's get these resized. Keep hitting Alt instead of KDE bindings. Let's do LX appearance and see what options we have here. We don't have a whole lot of stuff installed, do we? Well, what are some good GTK themes? What are they called? They are, oh shoot. I can't think of the name. I'm picturing it. Numix, there we go. Let's do that. Open this up again, open up LX terminal, LX appearance. Numix Arch Blue. Doesn't seem to have done anything. And then icon. Let's do Numix icon. Numix circle icon. I don't know. Numix circle arc icons. I think that's the one I want. Again, this might take a while, so I might have to break it. Yeah, I'll just come back when it's done. Okay, that's done, so close it out. Rerun LX appearance, go to icons, and apply that. Cool, that's good enough for me. Oh, I don't know what I just did. Okay, sorry, I'm still getting used to all these key bindings. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is set up the Git repo backup so y'all can follow along with me. So Github, that'll do. So we're gonna go here and we're going to change the name. What was this again? I'm trying to remember my key bindings here. There is a drag. Well, I'll just do it this way. I can't remember the key binding yet. Okay, so we want to edit this. Oh, I need to sign in. That would be why. Can't remember what this is. Something like that. That's not it. No. Yep, save it. Okay, so edit. No, that's not what we want. We want to I don't know how to change this. Give me a second here. Okay, it was simple. I just had to go to settings. Awesome 3.5. rename, and go back here. And settings, rename it. Go back here, and how do we do this? We add a repo, yeah, new repo. Awesome for desktop, public. Yeah, sure, why not? Create repository. And I can't remember how to initialize, so GitHub initialize repo. Now I can redrag these, and I gotta remember all these damn keywords, key bindings. That's not it. I think this is it. So let's quit current working directory, LA, and we're gonna say git remote add origin. I think that's how you do it. I think this is how you do it. Yeah, it doesn't seem right. Let's just follow this. Git commit allow. No, I'm not going to do allow empty. Im needs to be single quotes. Git status. Now we need to git remote add origin. Git push set I can't remember how to do this. Hold on. Yeah, okay. I don't know what happened, but this list of what usually comes up didn't come up when I created this repository, which is strange. But anyways, this is what I was trying to remember how to do. So if we clear out of that, I did delete the git folder because I didn't want any screw ups to be in there. So so we already got the touch readme in there, git init, that will create the empty git thing here. So if we do an la.git, it's just basically, it's not tracking anything. So git add, we'll just do the readme first. That'll do. Git commit m first commit. And for some reason the other one I saw only had single quotes, which also messed me up. So git remote add origin. And then we should be able to do the Awesome 4 desktop. Git push view origin master. Okay. Okay, won't git pull. Fine. See, this is where I'm all mixed up. I don't understand why it doesn't like that. Let me go here and so this is the thing about doing this on the fly. So git status. Let's see if we can just add everything here, see what happens. Do that. Oh, come on. So tip. There's something wrong. You know what? I'm gonna redo this. I'm just gonna delete this damn thing. Something weird happened there, and I'm not sure what it was. How do I delete these things? So when it didn't come up with the okay, so now create a new repository. We're going to call it Awesome 4 Desktop. I don't want to initialize with README. Is it going to come up with a tutorial? Yeah, okay. So let's start this again. So now we're back to here. It's all empty. So let's do echo. Echo Awesome 4 Desktop. Git init. Git add readme. git commit m first commit, git remote add origin. Just copy this whole thing just so we know we don't mess up. Control C, shift insert, git push u origin master. See, I don't know, something got screwed up there when this didn't come up. It's like it committed without this being, I don't know. Okay, git status, git add, basically star, git commit m add the stuff, git push. Okay, so now you guys are all up to date. So I guess at 18 font size, it doesn't like some of the fonts. So sorry about that. So if we go back to here, you should have pretty soon have everything in there. Okay, let's reload. Cool. So it's a pretty good chance that this stuff won't come in when you do the poll, and if you do, you just have to, because I haven't linked them. Each of these has, like, if I go to probably has a git in it, yeah, so some of this stuff is not going to sync. So if you are going to clone this, make sure that you clone free desktop. So you go to here and you go to the original and clone it, and go to lane and clone it, because if you don't, these are going to be empty files and you're going to have problems. So anyways, that's about it on this one. It will be updated here, so feel free to move along or follow along. But again, be careful, because if you go to commit this and these libraries don't come in, you're going to get all kinds of errors. So anyways, with that being said, I mean, what you could do, no, I would recommend that you go to these and clone them as you get the chance. So anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.